So previous class we have discussed about the process oriented storage control. Okay, and in the process oriented storage control, we also seen that what are the different steps are involved. Okay, and how we can able to achieve this multi-step movement for the put away process, right? So we have done only two things. One is the unloading, and then there is the put away. Only two things we have done. But when we will going to use the POSC, that is important, right? So whenever you got this is a simple input, okay? This is a simple POSC, we can say. This is a simple POSC. So unloading will be one activity. So we have to use it, okay? For unloading, they have to use the POSC, okay? So now let us consider they have the like I'll just I'll show in some other slide, okay? Because here drawing and all it is very tough. In Excel, actually, if it is offline, we can able to do it. Online, it is something else only. Okay. So what I will do, I'll just tell about the deconsolidation activity. What is the deconsolidation now? Okay, let us consider first. I'm going to draw one warehouse only. Okay. Let us consider this is our warehouse. Okay, this is our warehouse. So this warehouse is having a door. Okay, and just create two doors here. Okay, this is one door, and this is the other door. Okay, one is the GI and there is the GR door, like that we are considering. After that, what we'll be having beside the door? We'll be having the GR zone and the GI zone. Okay, so GR zone and the GI zone. After that, we'll be having some storage types. Okay, here we'll be having some storage types. You can take however you want. This is one storage type. Okay, let us consider three storage types are there. Okay, four storage types are there. ST0 and ST02, ST03 and ST04, something like that. Now, what had happened? One truck is coming. Okay, one truck is coming. It is having a big box. Okay, this is having a big box. Okay, the truck is having a big box. And within this box, okay, within this box, we are getting few products. Okay, we are getting few products. The products we have taken no mat 1, mat 2, something like that. The product one is mat 1. Okay, so this is in what is that, blue color, and the product is there. This is mat 2, which is some other color. Okay, some orange color we can take. Okay, these two products are packed inside the box, and they are coming to our warehouse. Okay, they are coming to our warehouse. Now they will going to receive it in the GR zone. Okay, but sometimes, okay, very sometimes they will be having the work center at the GR zone only. Okay, work center at the GR zone. You have seen it. Okay, you have seen it while doing the giving the rules. But sometimes, if the big warehouses are there, they will be having a this deconsolidation station. Okay, separate deconsolidation station where we will going to move these products. Okay, move these products. We will going to break this box. Okay, once I'm going to break this box. Okay, so this will going to become separate. Okay, this product will going to become separate, and this product will going to become separate. But we cannot proceed the what is that what is that deconsolidation activity without the HU. So what we will going to do? We have to put them into some other box and we can move, or else okay, still it will go and move to some different storage types. Okay, only while receiving we should have the HU. Okay, HU is must, as I said. Okay, here I have mentioned one sentence. Here I have mentioned one sentence. POSC works only with the HU. I have mentioned this. Okay, POSC works only with the HU. Okay, so if while taking the material, if one box is there, that is enough. Or else, what we will do? We'll pack them into two different carton boxes. Okay, two different carton boxes. Then these carton boxes we're going to put into one pallet and we're going to bring it to the what is that deconsolidation stage. When you will going to break this pallet, two different carton boxes will be there. These carton boxes will be sending it to a different. See, ST01 and ST02 it is belongs to Mat 1, and ST03 and ST04 belongs to Mat 2. Am I right? Because I have assigned sequence 2 for this, sequence 1 for this. Correct? No? Understanding no concept? Yeah. Any doubts here? So this is where I'm going to do the deconsolidation. Okay. For this, again, I'm going to give the steps anyway. Okay. What are the different steps we'll be doing? Okay. The steps are involving same steps we'll be maintaining. Okay. Same steps will be there. But few changes will be there. Okay. Won't means the steps will be same, but we need to maintain the deconsolidation work center. Okay. Because for initially we have to create this deconsolidation work center. This whatever the deconsolidation I'm creating, this one I have to create as a storage type. Okay, storage type with the role E. Okay, that is nothing but the work center. Okay, then I should proceed further. Okay, so today's topic is deconsolidation. Okay, so we are doing the POSC with the deconsolidation. So what I have to do? First, I will go to the system where it is necessary. That time I am going to prepare the deconsolidation station and I am going to explain about that. Okay. So SPRO, IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Under that, cross process settings, warehouse task, here process oriented storage control. So when I go inside this, okay, here I need to create an external step. Yesterday I have created for the unload and for the put away. But today I want to do the deconsolidation activity. Okay. So for the deconsolidation activity also I need to create one more external activity. So what I'll do, I'll say new entries. I'll see double one deconsolidate. DC I'm going to do. Okay, DC. It is 1100 okay, deconsolidation. And internal process will be there for that. So for this external step, I am assigning the internal step. Where is the deconsolidation? Here you can see SPR. This is the deconsolidate. Okay, so I am just assigning it. Just save this. Okay, this is the first step. You have seen that. Okay, here you have the first step. We are creating the external step, and we are assigning the internal step to the external step. These two steps are over. Next, storage process. Go to the storage process. Okay, so here ours is 1100. The storage process, as I said, they are created for the warehouse level. Okay, so we will going to take this IBD1. This is my storage process. Okay, so which I have created. Go to the assign storage process steps. Okay, here I need to assign the deconsolidation station. Okay, I'll just remove this first. You assign. Okay, I'll be unloading the material first. Then I'll going to do the deconsolidation activity. Then I'll be doing the put away, right? So that is why I have to arrange them in the sequential manner. Okay, after the put away, it shouldn't come. Okay, after unloading, deconsolidation should happen. then the put away will going to take place. See here, as I said, one is the creation of warehouse task automatically, and another is the product of HU warehouse task creation. Okay, so you can tick here also and here also. We'll test both the things. Okay, first I'm going to tick it here. What are the changes we're going to see? Okay, we can observe that. Okay. So I'll take this one. Okay, this is where the deconsolidation activity is taking place. And what is this meaning? Okay, auto warehouse task means what is this meaning is it is nothing but what is that? What is that? So where you are going to create the warehouse task? Okay, where you want to create the automatic warehouse task? Okay, this is one thing. And whenever I am unloading, okay, here I am bringing the HU also. Okay, I am bringing the HU also. So product warehouse task it may be creating, or else HU warehouse task it may be creating. Okay, we don't know. So we have to take this mark also. This one also we need to take. For simple, it is not required. Okay, for whenever you will be bringing the deconsolidation activity and all, this is necessary. But whenever you are doing the deconsolidation activity, whenever you are doing the deconsolidation activity, okay, these two ticks must be there. And here, this deconsolidation, we may have it here or we may have it here. Okay, we'll see both the things. Okay, what will going to happen when I'm going to tick here, and what is happening when I'm going to tick here. See, whenever I'm going to bring the as I discussed about this. Okay, when I'm going to bring the material with this HU. Okay, under this two different carton boxes are there under the product is there. How many warehouse tasks will going to generate? Do you have any idea? How many warehouse tasks will going to generate? I will just.
I think two. Right.
There are 3 warehouse tasks will going to generate. Why? Because. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay. So anyway, see 1 minute. This is see for this one warehouse task. Okay. And for the other material. For this material and the warehouse task. Okay, and a big HU will be there, no? Big HU, the box for that and the warehouse task. Understanding, no? Hello. See here, as I said, I am bringing these 2 carton boxes into a pallet. Correct, no? So for the pallet, we're going to create 1 warehouse task. For this 2 carton boxes, 2 warehouse tasks we're going to create. Got it?
Yes.
So you should tell something so that I can understand you are understanding like that. Okay. No, okay. If you are not understanding also, I can explain it again, not an issue. So I am bringing the pallet. Under the pallet, I am bringing these 2 HUs. Okay, means these 2 carton boxes are available within the what is the pallet. So for the pallet, 1 warehouse task is going to generate, and for these 2 materials, in the 2 warehouse tasks will going to generate. Okay, this is how we're going to take it. Okay, 3 warehouse tasks will be generating here. Now,
so Sri, sorry to interrupt.
Yeah.
Deconsolidation you are saying, and we have vast kind of concept. So the deconsolidation vast all the concepts together also is that possible?
Yes, we have to. I will going to take that VAS also in the next class and all.
Okay, if that is the case, then warehouse task will be creating like anything. I mean, 3 to 5 also.
No. How it will going to create 3 to 5 and all? How many materials you are bringing? No, that much warehouse task will going to generate.
Okay, so if we are having 5 materials, we have deconsolidation, we have VAS, and then we have the HU.
Yes.
If we consider in this way, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1 HU.
No, don't consider like that. See, here, this entire thing, 1 warehouse task will going to generate for this. For this, 1 warehouse task will going to generate. Okay, so including all the HU and the product. Okay, but whatever the big HU will be there, no pallet. We are deconsolidating it, correct?
Right.
For that, I'm telling, for that 3 euros task will going to generate. If you don't have the deconsolidation activity and all, you are just putting the same palette and moving it inside some Veros task, only 1 Veros task will going to generate for that.
This is only deconsolidation activity, not
Yes.
the rest.
Yes. Got it, no?
Dinesh, get it right.
Yeah, I got it. But he was mentioning deconsolidation where everything is possible, right? In that case, how?
That is complex.
Bro, see, Dinesh भाई, अभी deconsolidation होने के बाद जितना Veros task रहता है ना, उतना ही move होता है आगे. Okay, we are not creating any extra Veros task over here.
नहीं भाई, वो समझ में आ रहा मुझे. I get it. Right now we get 3 Veros tasks which is getting created.
Okay.
But what I'm trying to think of is if there are multiple materials and deconsolidation and VAS also if they are performing.
See, VAS is the, don't consider the VAS over here. As of now, don't consider this particular work center right now. Why you are considering VAS here?
No,
What?
you said both are in complex, both are possible, you said, right?
No,
So,
I am saying both are possible, but as of now, I am telling the deconsolidation. Okay, here, whatever the Veros task will be going to generate to, that is the final one. Same Veros task will be moved to the VAS, then from here to the storage type. That's it.
okay, even in that case also we will be having multiple work orders generated, right?
Yes, definitely.
On...
How many different HUs will going to bring in the palette? Based upon that, many Veros tasks will going to generate here.
Okay.
Okay.
Because if, see, normally for testing we are including 1 or 2 materials, but in production or live system, we may have 5
There
materials.
will be like hundreds of line items will be there. Okay, hundreds of line items. No, they will be there.
Yeah,
definitely. Okay,
so that's what I was.
Okay. So next thing, what I have to do? So when I'm bringing the material over here means this one, I have to create it as a storage type. Okay, with a role E. Then I need to create. See, this is work center. Okay, I need to create one work center as well. Okay, so for that, I'll just go to the system. Okay, so this one I need to add one more step, right? So I will just say new entries. It's gone. Row MG SCM EWM extended warehouse management. In that cross process setting, warehouse task POSC. I have created the external step. Then go to the storage process. 1100 IVD1. Just take this step, and I will going to assign decon here. Okay, this is the next step. So I have ticked this 3, then create one more step, that is for the put away. Okay, 11 P1. Okay, like that I am creating. Just save this. So when I go back, okay, you can see these 3 different steps. Okay, these are the 3 different steps which are taking place. But now I am going to do the unloading at the GR, but where the deconsolidation will be taking place. So for that, what I'll do, I'll be creating the storage type. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. Here master data. Go to the storage type. Okay. See, I am creating the work center now. Okay, this is important. I'll say new entries. Warehouse is 1100. Okay, this is some work center. I'll just say it's the same name. Okay, or else. Okay, we're going to do some 2 different deconsolidation stations because let us consider. Sometimes what you are bringing is some carton boxes you are bringing and you want to deconsolidate them. Okay. So over the table it may possible. But sometimes if you are bringing some very big pallets and all, in the table you cannot able to put the pallets. So for that time, in that time, you have to put them at the ground level and you have to do the deconsolidation. Okay, so we're going to do two different deconsolidation stations. As of now, we're going to create only one. Why I'm going to create two means, tomorrow's class I'll be telling about the rule-based deconsolidation activity. How we're going to set the rule. If the pallet is coming, it should go to the floor level. If the what is that? The carton boxes are coming, or small units are coming, how it will go to the table level. Like that, we're going to discuss. So what I'll do, I'll say DC TB means deconsolidation at table level. Okay, decon table, like that I'm going to give. Okay, one is DCTB, and we're going to create one more tomorrow for the floor. For that, I'm going to give some more idea. Okay, how rule based deconsolidation will going to take place like that. Okay, here storage type role. Okay, I have to take this storage type role. Here is work center for this. Okay, and whenever you are giving the work center, no, one more thing is important. We need to give the what is that capacity check for this. Okay, capacity check for this. Anyway, I'll show you that. Okay, next we're going to give the confirm put away. Then I'm going to give the rule as some 4. Okay, like it is general rule I'm going to give, and confirm removal I'll give. Okay, confirm removal I'll give, and yeah, that is enough for here. Okay, if you just try to save it, click enter, try to save it. See, it is asking capacity check not supported for the storage type role work center. Okay, so for that we have to assign this capacity check. See here, capacity check is there, one box. Just go here, just give some no check against the key figure. Okay, so just give this and you will going to create one work center for you. Okay, just save this. Okay, I have created the work center now. Okay, I have created the work center now. And next, we can, if you want, you can create the section and you can create the what is that one bin within that. Okay, section if you want, you can create, or else it is not required. If you, okay, we'll just create the section. Say new entries 1100. Storage type is DCTB. Okay, deconsolidation table. Section I'm going to take 0001, or else you can also take DCTB or something like that. And you can create this section, and I'm going to say total section. Okay, save this. I have created the section. Now I want to create a bin for this. Okay, I'll take one more screen. Okay, /n/scwm/ls01. Okay, for creation of the bin. 1100. I'll say DCTB bin. Okay, this is DCTB, section is 01. Okay, save it. I have created one pin also. So see here, you means you have to follow these things only. Okay, once I'm going to create the storage type, work center as a storage type, then I have to create one work center here. Where we're going to create the work center. Work center is also coming in the master data only. Okay, here it is the master data. Okay, here I'll go to the master data, means at the downside you will find work center here. Okay, work center. So just go over here, and one thing is specify work center layout is there. Okay, second is define work center is there. What is this work center layout and all, I'm going to explain you. Okay, just after creation of the work center, just execute this. We are defining the work center. Okay, just go to the position. If anything is there, just delete them. Nothing is there. Okay, just go to the new entries. Warehouse is 1100. We are creating some work center here. Just consider that as a DCTB only. Okay, for table we are creating one work center. 11, or else decon DCTB, or else you can give your name 1100 decon work center. Okay, like that you can give. Extra step. What is the extra step we have given? Do you have any idea? 11 DC, correct? No, this is the extra step. Okay, storage type. What is the storage type for this? DCTV is the storage type. Inbound section. Okay, this is both the sections we have to mention 0001 only. Okay, so 0001 and repack warehouse process type. Okay, so this one we should have. If you not having a repack, what is that? Warehouse process type, no, you cannot able to assign it over here. I'll just check, okay, whether we have created our repack warehouse process type or not. Okay, just go to SPRO IMG warehouse process type. I'm going. Okay, SCM extended warehouse management. Here, go to the cross process settings, warehouse task. Here, warehouse process type. Okay, so just go to the position 1100. I want to have the 3040. Okay, nothing is there. I have to define it. If you are assigning it also, it may take, but later on it is going to give the trouble because it is not available for us. Okay, see if I am assigning here 3040. See, 3040 doesn't exist. Okay, in the database. So what I have to do, I'll just take it from some 0001 and here 3040. See, this is for the repack. Okay, the standard one. Okay, copy it and just maintain for a 1100. Okay, I am creating it. Just save this. Okay, for the repack, what is that? Warehouse process type. Okay, this is some repack means we are doing some internal process, something like that. Okay, activities internally taking place. And here nothing source and nothing it is required. Okay, so just we are creating one repack. What is that? WPT. Okay, I'll just go back and click enter now. So it is available. Okay, this is available. And work center layout it is asking. For deconsolidation, we'll be having some different work center layouts. Okay, for 1100, just execute. Okay, nothing is there as of now. We have not created any work center layouts. Okay, so that also I need to create. Then I should come over here. Okay, just save this as of now. Save this as of now. But I have to give this work center layout. Okay, this is really, really important. What is this work center layout and all? I'm going to explain you. And I'll show you also. Okay, I'll show you also. So this is really important. And whenever you're going to use this deconsolidation and all, you can able to use it with the RF device also. Okay, RF device also you can able to do it. When we will going to use the RF, no, that time I'm going to show you. Okay, how the deconsolidation will be taking place through the RF. Okay, I'll just saving the action and I'm going to save it. This one I need to assign. Okay, I'm just creating the work center layout and I'll be coming back. Okay, work center layout I'm going to create and I'm going to come back. Okay, just go back. For again, go back. Here, specify work center layout. Okay, we don't. I thought that when we copied, no, it might have copied. Okay, but it is not copied. That is fine. So we have to have the work center layouts for us. Okay, so I'll just go to the position 1100. See, nothing is there for this. Okay, so that just go to the standard warehouse. This is a standard warehouse 0001. Okay, so just copy this. This is DKMF is the deconsolidation, and VAS also I need to copy, right? So here is the VAS. Okay, and just copy the VAS. And this packing I need to consider. Okay, later on it will come. Okay, very, very late. So these three things is enough. Okay, just copy them. Here 1100. I'll tell about. I'll come to this part again. I'm just copying now. Save it. And I will just assign this work center layout, that is DKMF MX, and I'm going to show you how it will be visible. Okay, once I'm going to create with some. Yes.
Once a storage location, storage type is created and storage bin is created.
Yes.
For individual storage bin, slotting is not required. But if we have a bulk of bins which has been created, for example, 10 bins, 100 bins, and above 500 bins, in that case, we have to perform slotting. Am I right?
Yes.
For single bins, slotting is not required.
Yes, single bin is there means why you want to do the slotting?
I just wanted to.
Okay.
because we were not doing that.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay, define work center. I'll be going. Okay, position 000, sorry, 001100. Okay, so here I'll just move inside, and here I need to assign the work center layout. Okay, what is the work center layout we have created just now? Double zero. Okay, DCTB is the one. Go to edit. Okay, 1 minute. 1110. Here, work center layout is DKMX. Okay, just save this. I want to show. Okay, it doesn't exist. 1 minute. I just now created one. Go back. Specify work center layout. I'll just copy it again. 1100. Save it. Is saved. Go back. Okay, I'll just try to assign this here. 1100. DCTB. DKMX. I have just now created, so it is now assigned. Okay, so it is now assigned. Sorry, earlier some error. Okay, so what is this work center layout and all? We're going to see it now. Okay, whenever you want to move inside the work center, no, I'll just take some other screen. Okay, I'll just go to /n. Okay, so whenever you want to move inside the work center, okay, so we're going to see how the work center will be. Layout will be there and all. We're going to see it now. Okay, so go to the easy access, go to the logistics, SCM EWM, action and warehouse management. Here, go to the execution. Okay, because in the deconsolidation we do some execution activity. Here, this one deconsolidation in goods receipt. Okay, /SCWM/decons. Okay, so just go here. This is the work center. It is asking for the work center. What is our work center now? DCTB is the work center. Okay, DCTB. Just go inside. Okay, just execute this. See, you are seeing all these things. Okay, so here some tabs are there. Differences, change it to deconsolidation. All these things are there. Here you will be seeing delete, print. After that, this completeness. Okay, like complete process steps, HU, and some change, select layout, all these things you will be seeing here. And here's total section, deconsolidation bin, everything you will be seeing. How you will going to define this means this is based upon. Okay, this is based. Okay, this is not the one. This is based upon your layout. Whatever the layout we have just now defined now, specify work center layout is there now. We are only going to see. I'll go to the layout. Okay, whatever we have defined, just go inside. See, all these things they have ticked here. Okay, whatever it is required now, they have ticked here. Some things, okay, so wherever you want to have some different extra things, say tab pages in the scanner area. Okay, whatever the different things you want to have, you can have it. Or else, if anything is having now and you want to delete it, you can delete that also. That also, okay. Display detail area is there, and here display scanner area is there. Okay, and here different functions are there. Okay, delete HU is there, delete header changeable is there. See here, if you are seeing the deconsolidation station, here this is the delete thing, okay, which is available, and these are some tabs which are available. Okay, all these things will be ticked here. Okay, whatever the tick mark is there, it is coming up over there, and whatever the tick mark you will not going to tick now, it will not going to come there. Let us hide this display tree control. This is a tree control, right? So we are hiding it. Okay, just save this. Save this. Go back here and again enter inside. Okay, execute. See here, display that a tree is gone. That a tree, entire tree is gone. Okay, so when I'm going to again mention it, okay, so display with the tree control and all, then it will going to show it to us. Okay, I'm just saving it. Go back again, execute. Okay, you can able to control this entire activities through this layout. Okay, whatever the layout will going to prepare now, based on that it will going to create over here. Getting the concept?
Yes.
Okay, so whatever the layout you are defining here. Okay, so tick marks are there, no? All these tick marks, it is whatever the needed are there, we have selected them. Okay, if you want to have some packing in bin or empty HU, I want to see all these things. If you are ticking, you can able to see them. If whatever the empty HU are there, you can able to see them. And here delete HU is there. Okay, so this is the delete option. If you don't want, you just untick this, it will go. Okay, so this is how it will going to work. Okay, so this is the what is that work center layout. Within this, we're going to define the how the work center should be. Okay, this is the we have seen one virtual work center. Okay, virtual packaging work center. When I'm going to do the PRDI screen. Okay, in the PRDI screen, when we'll go to the inbound delivery following functions pack, no, there you have seen the virtual work center. So this is the a real work center where we will going to do some deconsolidation activity. Okay, so this is how I'll going to define the layout of the work center. Okay, so I'll just keep as it is. Yes.
One quick question.
Yes.
Can you scroll down?
1 minute. 1 minute. It is gone. Not coming.
So we have seen multiple places like auto HU and automatic packing. So if we are defining that category in packaging specification as well as warehouse task automation or automatic packaging, so everywhere we can create in background once it is saved. Am I right?
I didn't get you. What is the your question?
Just log in. So in packaging specification, we have auto pack option, right?
Correct.
Auto pack is there and auto warehouse task creation is there. So right now we were looking on work center.
Yes.
That work center also auto HU and auto packaging both was there if I'm right. So over there also we will be able to maintain the same information. I mean.
You want to go there? Okay, 1 minute.
Layout of work.
PRO, IMG. Yes, I'm going. SCM, EWM, Extend Warehouse Management, Master Data. Okay. Your work center. That's for work center layout. 1100. Yes. Yeah, tell me now.
Yeah, scroll down.
Okay.
So here also we have delete HU and as well as pack automatically on the bottom of the screen. Create OD, create outbound delivery, and above that pack automatically is there, right?
Pack automatically. Yeah, here. Yes.
So in all the cases we have this option. If we want, we can utilize it, or else we can ignore it.
Yes, correct. And the change kit means change kit means that tab will come. Okay, you have to do the things manually only here. Okay, pack automatically means some HUs will going to create automatically. You have to pack them like that. HUs will going to create automatically here. Okay, move vast task means whatever the vast task are there, then you can able to move them. Okay, so that tab will come. Within that tab, you can able to operate some things. Getting the idea?
Okay.
Okay, so here all these things.
Yes. We are choosing. I thought this packing in this work center, if any packing is happening, that will be automated.
Yeah, that is automated, but you have to click on that. Okay, see here, if you go, here it will come, okay, pack automatically, something like that. Okay, you have to click on that, then only it will going to happen, or else no. It will not going to create automatically until and unless you tick them.
Okay, so we already had a look on package specification.
Right? Correct.
Over there, over there, whatever process we are doing over there, same kind of process, are we going to
No,
follow the same
no,
steps
it is not
in
possible.
reverse?
That is some different thing. This is some different thing. Only if you have the HU, okay, then only the packaging will going to take place here. Okay, so only we have the HU, then only it will going to take place. It is going to choose the HU automatically here only. Whatever the HU empty HUs are there, then it will going to pack here. But it is not the same case with the whatever the packaging specification you have done. Packaging specification is a complete different topic.
Okay, so different configuration we have to perform in both level, only then we will be able to utilize this auto pack.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So so this one is over. Okay. So whatever the things were there in the DCPP, you have seen them. Now, okay, after doing this, okay, we have another activity. Okay, once you have created the work center, then you have to go to the easy access. Okay, so in the easy access only, go to the master data. The master data, go to the work center here. Work center. Under the work center, we have to define the master data attributes. Okay, we have to define the master data attributes. Just go here because we have to assign our bin, okay, to this deconsolidation work center. What is in which bin you will be doing, because without the bin, you cannot able to proceed it. Okay, so as I said, whenever you are creating the storage type, bin is must. If you don't have to create the storage section, that is fine. But bin is very, very important. Once we are going to create the work center, any work center, just do this step. Okay, this is important for you. Got it? See, after the activity area, once you're going to create the activity area, what is the next step you will do? Tell me. Once you create the activity area, what is the next step you will do?
In that activity area, we may have to mention this bin information if there is anything.
No. After the activity area, you must do the bin sorting. That is the next step. Okay.
Yeah, but here bin sorting is not required, right?
No, I am not telling about this, bro. I am not telling about this.
Okay.
After the activity area, what you will do? I am just asking. Okay. See, just like that. Okay. Whenever you just remember like this, I am telling you. After the deconsolidation, like whatever the work center will be creating, you just have to maintain the master data attributes here. Okay. Master data attributes. This is important. I am saying. When you will going to create the work center, automatically you should create the master data attributes. That's it. Okay. And when you are going to create the activity area, you must create the bin sorting. That's it. Like that, you should remember. Okay. It will be helpful. Okay. So I have created the what is that? I have created this master data attributes. Okay. Next, go back to the POSC process. Okay. I am going back to the POSC. Here, cross process settings, warehouse task. Okay, go to the process oriented storage control. And what are the different steps we have completed now? Okay, this is the storage process we have completed. We have assigned this sequentially. That is already done. Now, assign this storage process to the warehouse process type. Okay, we have already completed this task also, because yesterday whatever I have done, this is the only step what we have created. Next, go to the POSC again. Okay. So this is the second step I want to do. Okay. What I need to mention here. What I need to mention here. This is one more important thing where you are going to define your process. I'll just go back. I'll show you first warehouse process type. Okay. See, go to the warehouse process type. Okay. If you want to do some internal movements, no, see, this is the put away HU movement. Okay. 3060. It must be there in our warehouse. Okay. If it is not there, then we have to create that. Okay. 1100. I am checking it. So only 3040 is there. I need to take the 3060. And where I have mentioned my what is that? That deconsolidation, sorry, process type. Here I have mentioned. Okay, storage process I have mentioned here. Okay, IBD1 like that. Yesterday only we have mentioned. So today what I am creating is I am just copying a 3060. This is standard one. Okay, and just copy it. And I'm going to give 1100 and I'm creating this particular part. Okay, if you go inside this warehouse process type, this is for the put away. Okay, and here nothing they have created. Okay, this is some put away process, but we are using it for the movement of the HU within the warehouse. Okay, movement of the HU when you are doing the put away. If you are moving out of the what is that term? If you are moving outside, no, you have to use 3070. 3070. See, stock removal movement of HU here. Okay, stock removal. So we are using 3060 as of now. Just go to the POSC here. Okay, I will go to the second step, process oriented storage control. Yesterday we have created one. Okay, 1100. Just see here. I am unloading. Once I am unloading, okay, I am using this warehouse process type. Okay, F010. So once I am going to use this warehouse process type, source is defined here. Correct? No? I have defined my source here. And what is the destination? It is going to the GR zone. Am I right? If you are not getting anything, please do ask here. Okay. Here F010 means here I have defined my source and I am giving the destination here. Correct?
Yeah, source is already defined in warehouse process type.
Correct. Yes, yes. Okay. Now, in this next step, what I'll do, just observe here. I am creating one more. Okay, I am creating one more step here, 1100. And what is my extra step? I want to do the deconsolidation. Okay, I want to do the deconsolidation activity. That is 11 DC. That is my extra step. So once I want to do the deconsolidation DC, whether I need to give the source here.
Yeah, we may have to provide because it is coming from GR zone.
Yes, GR zone it is coming, but whatever the previous step, see in the storage process, we have assigned them sequentially. Correct? No? First unloading is happening. Unloading is having a source and destination. That is clear. Unloading.
Yes.
Whatever the one minute. Whatever the destination there for the unloading, no, that is the source for this automatically because this is the next step.
Right.
So
we have to maintain that.
yeah, we'll not going to maintain this. We'll just use you can use the HU type group, then you can proceed. But I am using the storage process, warehouse process type. Very simple. 3060 I am using. Okay. So this is for the put away HU movements. And destination whether I have to give or not.
No.
I have to give because where it should go, DCTB table it should go, correct? No?
But put away is the last, right?
Put away is the last. Yes. Now I am doing the deconsolidation means it should go to the deconsolidation station. I have to give this destination, correct? So if you go further, here one rule based is there. Tomorrow we're going to see it. Okay. But as of now, I am just giving my destination. In the rule based, you will not going to give the destination also. It will going to take automatically. How and all we're going to see. But destination I'll be giving it here now. Okay. That is DCTP. That is the storage type what I have created, and bin also we have created. Some bin. DCTP bin like that I have created. Correct? No? Understanding no concept? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Okay. So just save this step. And after that, whether for the put away, whether I am maintaining any what is that steps here for put away. Now the material will go, see after this step, the material will come and store in the DCTB deconsolidation table. After that, what will going to happen? Put away will going to happen. Okay, we have assigned this, correct? No? Put away, what is the source in the put away now? Correct. Okay. So what is the destination? How the destination will be defined?
So final bin.
Yes. How it will going to get defined? Based on the strategies, whatever the strategies we have maintained, correct? No?
But here it is not going to consider strategies until unless we are maintaining that in external steps. Am I right?
Yes. See, means I never maintained the strategies for coming to the DCTB and all. I have maintained the strategies only for the final storage types. See, this is the storage type for us. For going to the final storage types, I have maintained the strategies. If this is MAT1, it should go to ST01 and ST02 because I have assigned the sequence 1 for this. I have assigned sequence 2 for the mat 2. It is going for the ST03 and ST04. Am I right?
Right.
Okay.
So here, destination bin for put away is not required, you mean?
Yes, put away destination bin is not required. It is going to take place through the strategy only. Okay, it will go here and it will go some bins in the ST03, ST04. Okay.
Okay.
Now we'll check it. Okay. So what we'll do, I'll just create this one. Okay, just save this. Now we're going to do one test case. Okay, we're going to do one test case for this. Okay. So I'll go to the, I will just create slash n VL31N. Here I'll take this PO. Okay, I remember this. That is why I'm taking copy. One minute. Okay. So I'll paste this. And here I'll say Decon01. Okay. Decon01. Just click enter. It is not going, but system becomes slow. I will take, okay, yeah, it came. So I am taking one product here. Okay, I am just packing them, okay, in the HU. Here I'll take carton box and one more carton box. This product I am just packing in this carton box. This product I am packing in the another carton box. And both these things I have to pack in the HU. Okay, I am just taking one pallet. So within this pallet, I am going to pack these two carton boxes. So that is what I have explained. Okay. So just save this. We have created one inbound delivery. Okay, this is the inbound delivery for us. Just copy this inbound delivery. Go to the PIDI screen. Check your warehouse. Okay. Yeah, this is 1100. Just give your inbound delivery and execute. Okay, we got our inbound delivery. See, I'll say go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. Once I'm going to see if you will going to get the warehouse task at this particular end, that is handing unit, I'll say create here. Okay, I'll say create here. Okay, it is going to some station where it is going. See here. First thing is it is from the door we are unloading it. Am I right? From the door we are unloading. That is the first step. Where we are unloading it? We are unloading it at the GR zone. Correct? No? Yes. I am just saving it here. Okay, I'll say just create plus save. And every activity you can able to do it in the monitor now. Okay, I'll just copy this. Go to the monitor. Every activity you can able to take in the monitor only. Okay, this is the easiest option what you have having. Okay, I'll go to the inbound delivery, warehouse task. Okay, so you can see what is happening. Okay, where the material is going and all everything you can able to see here. Okay, see here how come it is created 3 different warehouse tasks? Tell me. Why it is created 3 different warehouse tasks now?
Where we have given 2 checks, right?
Exactly. Okay. So one thing, okay, you should observe here and just go back to that particular screen. Okay. /n spro img SCM extended warehouse management. Where is that? Cross process settings, warehouse task. Okay, POSC. Under that, I have to go to the storage process. Go to 1100 IBD1 and this step. Okay, here I have ticked it over here. That is why it is coming whenever I am doing the unloading activity. If I am tick it here, whenever I am moving this to the deconsolidation station, that time 3 warehouse tasks will going to generate. Okay, we will going to do this activity. Okay, not an issue. See, now for these 2 different boxes, the 2 different carton boxes. Okay, whichever it is there in the palette. This is the palette. Okay, so under this we are having 2 different carton boxes, right? For that, 2 warehouse tasks are generated, and for the palette for unloading activity, 1 warehouse task is generated. Got it? Any doubts?
Yeah, Shri, one thing.
Yes.
Go to that screen.
Okay.
Because of that automatic is that you have checked, because of that only it is getting checked.
Yeah, you have to take this. Okay, but this HU warehouse task where it should generate, no, that one I am taking.
If you uncheck that, no?
We have to check it only for the deconsolidation. Okay, for if you are doing the deconsolidation, we have to check it. But I can check it here, or else I can check it here. Any either of that one I have to check. Okay, or else how the deconsolidation, what is that? Whatever the palette it is coming, how it is going to depict us. Okay, so that is why we are checking it either of the one. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, how it will be changing now. Once I'm going to change it, when it is going to create and all, we're going to see it. Okay.
Okay, my question is next to that automatic warehouse task is right. You have checked 2 checkboxes.
Yes, correct.
That 3 warehouse tasks is created.
Yes.
If I remove for the second one,
this one.
In that case, 2 will be created, right?
If I remove this one.
Not that one.
This
second row. Yeah.
No. This is for the deconsolidation step. Okay, this is some separate step now. Here, if I am taking both these things, no, if I remove here, only 1 warehouse task will going to generate here. Only 1 warehouse task. If I remove this and I assign this one here, means here 3 different warehouse tasks will going to generate. Okay, see, I am keeping it here. Okay, what is happening? I'll just tell you. When I am bringing the entire palette, okay, I am unloading it. Okay, unloading it. That time, 1 warehouse task is created for the HU. That is why it is shown whether HU warehouse task is generated or not, like that. Okay, for that HU, 1 HU warehouse task is generated. Understanding? Okay, while unloading, okay, while unloading I have taken it. Okay, that is why while unloading I have taken this. That is why 1 HU warehouse task is generated and other 2 warehouse tasks are generated for the products. These are the for the products they have created. Got it? Okay, now what I'll do, this whatever the unloading is going to take place now. See here, this is double one UL, this is unloading, but here see, these are the put away, it is considering steps are put away, it is considering. But within this HU, these products are there. Definitely we're going to do it for the put away only. Until and unless I do confirm this activity, it will not going to get update here. Okay, it will not going to get update here. What I am going to do, see here from the door, the GR zone, it is unloading. I'll say, I'll just click this, go to the what is that more methods and see confirm warehouse task in the background. I'll just click on that. Okay, so it is confirm now. Confirm now. Okay. If nothing is coming, just refresh the screen. Okay. If nothing is coming, just refresh the screen. Just observe now. What is happening? I have confirmed this activity. Means confirm means inbound door to GR. It came like that. I said. Now from the GR to where it is going? decon bin, correct? Are you getting this concept? From I have unloaded, I have confirmed this. Okay, confirm means through the RF gun, they're going to scan and they're going to place the material. What is the next warehouse task now? What is the next warehouse task? We have to move that material from the deconsolidation station. Sorry, whatever the GR zone, from the GR zone to we have to move to the deconsolidation bin or the station. Correct? No? That is the next step, right? Here, see, I have unloaded it. From the unloading, I have to move it over here. Correct? No?
Right.
Okay, so that is what the next step it is showing automatically for us. Once I am going to confirm here, see, I am saying I am going to scan this GR zone. Okay, in the RF, whatever the RF user is there, no, he is going to scan this GR zone, and he will going to take the material or else the entire HU, and he will going to scan this deconsolidation and he will going to place it here. So that is what the confirmation. I am just picking it here, and if I am going more, and it is gone, I think. If I am confirming it here, no, it will go to the deconsolidation station, and we have to do our work at the deconsolidation. Then only we can move further. Okay, that is how we have to do. Okay, it is. I'll just go again. Okay, yes, that is monitor /n/scwm /mon. Okay, and go directly here 1100. Let's say go to the engine delivery warehouse task. Okay, this is the one which we have created, and we have already confirmed this. What is that unloading activity we have confirmed. Now see here, from where it is the material is going, from GR to some ST01 it is going, and this one GR to ST03 it is going, because this is the material 2, this is the material 1. Okay, based upon the sequences it is going. But now from GR to it is going, from GR that it is going to ST01. It is not the case, right? It should go from the deconsolidation station. Once I'm going to confirm this, then only it will, this decon bin will going to come over here. Just observe this. I'll going to confirm this at the back end. Means what I'm saying, I am confirming it. This is going to the deconsolidation bin. Okay, now the material are there in the deconsolidation bin. See here it is changed. Decon bin to work center, some storage type it is going. But we need to do some activity. See, still here the status is B only, means waiting. B means it is waiting. Still it is waiting. It is not yet open. It is still waiting. Okay, and C means it is confirmed. These two things are confirmed. Okay, we have scanned them and it is confirmed. How this will going to get opened? Once I am going to do the deconsolidation activity in the decon bin, it will going to get open. I will show you. Go to the execution part. Okay, where is that? Logistics, SCM extended warehouse management. Go to the execution. Here decons. Okay, just enter into your deconsolidation bin station. Okay, means you are logging in here. You are logging into the deconsolidation station. Execute it. Okay, here you will receive these 3 pallets. We need to do the deconsolidation activity over here. Okay, so when you are going to do the deconsolidation activity, then you can able to open these steps here. Okay, what is this deconsolidation activity? Deconsolidation is nothing but we are breaking the whatever the what is that bin is, this pallet is there, we are breaking it and we are separating these 2 things. Correct? No? Hello?
Yes, we go on. Sorry.
See, I am means deconsolidation. What you are doing? We are breaking this pallet. Correct? And we are separating these 2 different carton boxes. Am I right?
Right.
Okay, so this is what the activity I have to take place in the deconsolidation. Okay, so now I want to break this, means what should I do? Okay, so here deconsolidate is there. Okay, just go to the deconsolidate. You can give the source HU. If you have the what is that destination bin or the pack material, you can able to give it. Or else, no, I don't have the pack material. I want to put it in some other carton box. You can be able to do that also. Or else directly you can give the deconsolidation for this. Okay, I have done the deconsolidation like that. You can just directly. Oh, shit, I have clicked on this. So it is complete. Okay, I will just go over here. Detail one tab. Yeah, it is. I have completed this step. Sorry for that. Okay, so once you're going to complete this step, no. Okay, I will show you how the deconsolidation and all we have to do. It will going to open here. Okay, now it will going to open here. If you refresh the screen, okay, see these two things are open. Whatever the waiting is there, it is open now. You can able to directly, no, I don't want to deconsolidate. I just want to send this entire box to the bin. Like that also you can say. Or else I forget to see, means forget in the sense I just directly click this. Okay, I thought of showing it, but I just clicked on this. See this, whatever the palette you brought now, you can able to deconsolidate that, and you can able to segregate these two different carton boxes. Okay, that is possible. I'll show you once again. Okay, then these two things will going to open. You can able to easily confirm them. Once they're going to confirm them, they're going to move to the storage step. That's it. Okay. This is how the deconsolidation will going to take place. And what I'll do, I'm going to change that tick box. Okay. That tick box was there. No, I'll change it now. Okay. SPRO. Before showing the next thing, no, I can show. I can change that and I can show you. SCMEW, Extended Warehouse Management. Here, cross process settings. Warehouse task, POSC, go to the storage process here. Okay, 1100. This one I'll just assign. Okay, here I'm changing this tick to this one, deconsolidation. While deconsolidation, I want to create 3 different warehouse tasks. But whenever I'll be unloading now, only one warehouse task. I just want to create it here. Okay, just save this here. Okay, save it. Now I'm going to create one more inbound delivery. Okay. Sorry for this. We're going to create one more inbound delivery and I'm going to show that. Okay. Slash n VL 31 and okay. I'm just taking this okay. Here one material I'm going to take. See, if we are not taking the carton box, okay, so just take one pallet. Within the pallet, you want to keep both these materials. Let us consider. Within this pallet, you want to keep this both the materials. Okay, I'll just pack both the materials into this pallet. Okay, just pack it, and save it. I have packed these two materials into a pallet and I have saved it. Okay, just go to this, copy it. I will go to the PRDI screen. I have to go. PRDI, nothing is there. Okay, /n/scwm/PRDI. Okay, once I'm going to go to the PRDI, just give your inbound delivery number, execute it. Okay, so I'll go to the inbound delivery, follow on functions, warehouse task. How many warehouse tasks will going to generate now? Tell me. If I'm saying create here, okay. Create plus save, I'm going to click on this. Okay, it is going from the inbound door to the, where it will go? From inbound door to where it will go? No, go into the GR zone, right? I'm unloading it right now. Am I right? Okay, so it is going to the GR zone now. From the door to the GR zone, it is going. I'll say create plus save directly. Okay, how many warehouse tasks will going to generate now? No, only one will going to create. See, I have ticked it over here. Okay, I have changed the tick mark from here to here. I'll just go to the monitor. You can observe that. Okay, just copy this.
So and for this deconsolidation works center one.
No, see, Vero's task is not going to depend upon the deconsolidation VAS or something. It is depend upon the how many products you are bringing. Okay, HU is one. HU is one. I am unloading it, and
Okay, so we are taking we are taking one material as a pallet.
yes. See here, only one Vero's task will going to generate. Only one is there. It is the HU Vero's task because both the materials are there in the palette. That is why it is creating one Vero's task here. Once I am going to confirm this, see, it is moving from the the unloading step is going to happen. It is coming from the door to GR zone. It is moving. Okay, now I am going to confirm it at the back end. See here. Once I am going to confirm it at the back end, you can see three different Vero's tasks which will going to generate. Because I have ticked it here. That is why here three different Vero's tasks are generating. It is considering the materials within this, okay, and it is generating two different Vero's tasks again. See, that is what product or HU Vero's task I am saying, no. That is why it is creating. Getting the idea? Where it is, where it has to create, you can able to control it over here. Where it has to create this Vero's task. Whatever the materials within this HU, no, this is HU, whatever the palette I have brought, and these are the products. Where it has to create, I can able to control it over here. That is what I am saying. Okay, so here these are created. Now the material is moving from the GR zone to the deconsolidation. I'll just confirm it. Okay, I'll just confirm it. Now the material are there in the deconsolidation work center. Okay, now they are there in the deconsolidation work center. I have to go to the deconsolidation work center. Okay, /n/scwm/decons. Okay, this is the one. I'll just enter into it. Okay, whatever the HU you brought, no, this is the next HU. Okay, under this, these are the two products. I don't want to click this one. Okay, I want to deconsolidate it. Okay, see here, materials are there in the palette. Now they have to separate and kept it in the carton box. Let us consider. I want to keep them these materials separately in the different carton box. Then I want to move it. Okay, so here you have one thing. Create HU is there. RS deconsolidate is there. Okay, both these activities are there. You can do in both the things. Okay, I want to create some HUs means you can just what is that? Give the packaging material and execute. You can able to create the HU. I'll show you. Okay, see here packaging material 1100 carton I will put, and I see one number I am creating. Okay, one number I am creating. Execute. One HU will going to generate automatically here. Okay, one HU is generated. Now I want to do the deconsolidation. I'll go to the deconsolidation. Okay, and source HU is what? 40225. Okay, 40225 is the source HU. Destination HU, I have it, I am giving it. Okay, destination HU, I have it, I am giving it. Like 600114 is the destination HU, I am giving it. And quantity, all these things we're going to give, but you just have to select the Vero's task. Which Vero's task you want to select? Just go here. Okay, we have two different Vero's tasks within this. Okay, I'm just taking one Vero's task. Okay, because this is one product. One Vero's task means one product. It is there. I'll just select this. Okay, see, it is taken automatically. This is the Vero's task. What it is available, and one quantity. I am moving it from this source HU to this destination HU. Execute this. Execute. One material will going to come into this particular carton box. Understanding the concept, no? This is what the deconsolidation. No, I don't have the HU. I want to do the deconsolidation directly. That also you can able to do. Give the source HU, that is 40225, and you don't know the which HU you are going to pack. So you just give the packaging material here 1100 carton. I'm going to give the packaging material. Now I want to choose the Vero's task. Only one Vero's task is remaining. Okay, this is the Vero's task. Just select this and say okay. See here, it is taken automatically, but one HU it will going to create automatically next number, and it will going to move this product into that HU. See here, I'm going to say execute. Can you see it? Okay, it is created one more carton box and it is moved the product. These two are empty bins now. Empty is what is that? HUs. These are the pellets. They are which are empty now. Okay. Next. Okay. I'll just save this. I'll just save this. I have deconsolidated it. Okay. I have deconsolidated. Consolidation is done. Whether this is open or not. Whether now I'm going to refresh means whether it is going to open or not. I am saying deconsolidation activity is done. Whether these things will going to get open or not. This is in the waiting now.
It will change, right?
It will not going to change because I have moved them to the different carton box, but I have not said HU is completed. This is the process, complete process step for HU. Like that, I have not given. See, if I am refreshing also, the same thing is going to remain. Okay, these are the two different things. Why they are creating? Just I'll observe this. Okay, one thing it is created. We are moving it from the like these are the two steps which are created. One is moving from the decon bin to decon bin only. Only HU is changing. See, this source HU is this one, destination is this one. It is moving from here, but B is intact. It is not changed. Okay, this is the HU, but you have to complete it. Means I have completed the entire process. I have packed it and all. If you are saying, then only it will going to complete and it will going to be open. See, for this also, you have moved it from the deconsolidation to the deconsolidation only, moving from this HU to the next HU. That's it. Whatever you have done. Got the idea? Now, you have to open it means you have to say, I'll go to the deconsolidation work center and I'll just choose this. Okay, the first one, I'm going to choose it. And here, if you double click on this, you can see in the detail one, it is not yet completed. HU step, it is not yet completed. Okay, it is still available. What I'll do for this only, I'll say complete process step for HU. I'll say this. Okay, once I'm going to click on that, double click on this, again go to the detail one tab. You can see HU step is completed now. Once you complete the HU step, come here and refresh the screen. This first product, no, I have completed that HU step. Okay, this first product, whatever the B is, you are able to see, no, it will going to change it to open status. Okay, it will become open. See, I'll just refresh this. It is become open because I have completed this step. That is why it is open. Now I will going to just confirm it means the material will go to some ST01 storage type. Some ST01 storage type. It is confirmed. Got the idea? For this, it is still, it is not yet completed. Okay, HU, I have moved the product from pallet to HU. Okay, but HU is still, that carton box is still open only. It is still open only. Now I'm going to pack and I'm going to say process step will going to complete like that. I'm going to complete process step for HU like that. I'm going to say means then only it is packed and ready for the movement like that. I'm saying. So once I'm going to click this, again you go back to the monitor. Again, if you go back to the monitor, this also is going to become open. Okay, just observe this.
So each and every time this complete packing you have to.
Yes, yes. You have to do it.
Only then. After performing that activity, you have to come over here and you have to perform whereas tasking background.
Correct. You are right. Okay, this is how we will going to create the deconsolidation activity. Okay, so these things you should remember when you have to tick this. Okay, whether if you want to create the, while unloading only, if you want to create the HU as well as the product warehouse task along with the automatic warehouse task, you can able to do. Or else, no, I don't want to do it at the unloading. I want to do it whenever I am moving it from the GR zone to the deconsolidation. That time also you can able to do it. Okay, these are the steps. While unloading you want to do, or while deconsolidation you want to do. Okay, these are the steps. Here nothing will come because we are not going to create any warehouse task over here. Any warehouse task because it is the final put away. Okay, we are doing nothing is be there. Here only we have to take this. So any doubts here in the deconsolidation? You have to practice. Okay, once you're going to practice, then only you'll come to know this. Okay, what is error and all. Okay, please do this practice. Okay, just go through the whatever the steps I have shown. Just create like that and you will going to observe this. Tomorrow we're going to see about the what is that rule-based deconsolidation. Okay, if a material is coming in the pallet, it has to move to some what is that floor. Okay, if the material is coming in the carton box, it has to go to the table. Like that, we will going to see, and we're going to do it based upon the rule. Okay, we're going to define a rule, and based on that, it should go. Okay, how the rule-based deconsolidation is going to happen and all, we're going to check it in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So just practice it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the tomorrow's class. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.